I think the key is to become one with the banana, not question the llamas.
Don't follow your compass, follow your heart. Unless your heart also points south.
Next stop, Quackville. Please mind the gap and the duck bites.
Glow hard or go home. Come on, Spectres, show some spirit.
Order in the food court. Please, no seed throwing while I'm defending the fry. And today's question, what's pink, floats, and totally freaks out alligators? Flamingo for the win.
Law #7. You may not team moonwalk in lane 5. There are reasons. Mysterious reasons.
I give this one 3 howls and a growl. Bonus points for the after scent of squirrel.